Pating Reviews presents Canon TS3322 wireless all-in-one printer. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it the best possible price. Fabulous printer. This printer was so easy to set up and use. It's easy to install the print cartridges when they need to be replaced and they aren't tucked somewhere that's hard to get to. And I like that there are only 2 cartridges. It's very easy to figure out how to use each of the many functions, including copy, scan, print, documents, and photos. The directions aren't overly complicated, which was great for me since I'm not super technology minded. I especially love how easy it is to use the app from your cell phone. You can print photos, documents, and even take a photo of an item from the app and print. The instructions are super simple for those that are technology challenged. I would highly recommend this for anyone looking for an easy to use printer that's easy to set up and easy to use. I haven't found anything yet that I don't like about this printer. Definitely recommend that you check out this printer. Here's a bit more information about this wireless printer. The printer output type is color. Brand, PIXMA. Printing media type, paper, plain. Connections, Wi-Fi. Wireless Connect provides a simple setup process that only takes minutes from your smartphone. Designed for ease of use and simple replacement, the PIXMA TS3320 only needs 2 fine cartridges for great print quality. Easily print from any room, from laptops, tablets, and smartphones, with built-in Wi-Fi. Load plain or photo paper with a designated rear paper tray. Adjust settings on the 1.5-inch segment LED screen and straightforward buttons. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.